We'll guide you through how to check if someone hacked your WhatsApp account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on WhatsApp. You can follow this guide on an iPhone or an Android. We're going to be explaining the steps for both. So you're concerned that somebody may have hacked your account. We're going to guide you through how you can go and check this and some options you've got for protecting your account as well. So make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you want to come into your chats page as we are here. Press that at the bottom. What you can do is you can go through your different WhatsApp conversations here, and you just want to go and check if any messages have been sent by you that you don't recognize. This could be a sign that somebody has gone and hacked your account and they've started going and sending messages from it. You can also go and check your calls at the bottom as well. So you can tap that there over to the left, and you can go through there and see if there are any calls you don't go and recognize making, as that could indicate somebody else is using your account. The best way I found of doing this is by checking the devices which are accessing your WhatsApp account. So on an Android, press the three dots in the top right and go down and press linked devices. On an iPhone, you go to the bottom right and you can press U, then find linked devices. Here, if any other devices have gone and accessed your WhatsApp account, they're going to be in a list here. So you're going to go and see the device, whether it's an Android or Google Chrome, and you can then go and check them. Of course, you may have gone and linked other devices yourself, so don't get confused by that. But if you see a device that you don't go and recognize, you can go and tap on it, and you can then go and remove the account from the device, or from this device, which is really great. So if there's any you don't recognize, tap on them and make sure you go and remove them, and then they'll no longer go and have access to your account. Now, what you can also do is you can then come back to the settings here. So on a Android, on chats, press the three dots in the top right and go down to settings, or on an iPhone, just press U in the bottom right, and here we are. And then what you can do here is you can scroll down and you want to go and find the option for account, and you can go and tap there just like so. Then what you want to do is go and find two-step verification. And what you can then do is go and create a PIN for extra security. So you can go and press turn on, and you can enter a 6-digit PIN that you can go and remember. You need to go and confirm it, and it won't go and be turned on. You can go and add an email in case you forgot your PIN. I'm going to skip that for now, but make sure it's a good idea too. And that's it. So now that PIN will be needed to go and access your WhatsApp account. So you can go and help secure it that way. Hopefully now you've confirmed if someone may have hacked your WhatsApp account and your account is now safer and you've gone and removed them.